Growing up with a dad who was a police officer, I saw how difficult that was in terms of how little he talked about what he saw and what he did, and the different roles that he had over the years, and that shutting off of emotion.
You asked for this?
For a long time, it was hard for me to see my dad as a very emotional, like capable of emotions. It's interesting because as I got older, I felt like I started to see more and more range of emotions. It didn't change the fact that he was in that role. It didn't change the fact that he was still a police officer. I was seeing more and more of his humanity coming in those last few years that he was a police officer. Society tries to turn us into something, tries to mold us into a certain image. And I don't know the reasons fully why my dad became a police officer. I don't know fully all that stuff. But what I do know is that despite him being in that role and the fact that that did not change, I did see him change as a person. I saw him become something greater.
It's really good to see you again, Murphy.
And I saw him grow into being a father more and more.
Murphy had a wife and son. What happened to them?
Well, after the funeral, she moved away.
Where did they go?
And unfortunately, Murphy has lost his family and doesn't get to do that.
I can feel them. But I can't remember them.
But maybe we can watch Robocop and take a sober look at how we are being conditioned, how we are being molded by society, and reclaim our humanity back.